In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your Google Calendar as a CSV file. This can be incredibly useful if you need to manipulate your calendar data or integrate it with various tools that support CSV imports. We'll be breaking down the process into a few easy steps so that you can follow along effortlessly. First, let's begin by exporting your Google Calendar. You'll need to navigate to Google Calendar on your computer. Once you're there, look toward the upper right corner and click the gear icon. Yes, that little cogwheel. This will open up a drop-down menu where you'll select Settings. Here's a tip. If you're having trouble finding it, remember, it's usually next to your profile picture or initial. In the settings, you'll notice a menu on the left sidebar. Click on Import and Export. This section is home to all things import and export. As the name suggests, under the Export section, you'll find an Export button. Go ahead and click that. A .zip file will immediately download to your computer. This file contains one or more .ics files, each representing a different calendar. Now that you have these .ics files, the next step is to convert them into a CSV format. For this conversion, you have two options. Option A involves using Google Sheets, but this requires a bit more manual work. Open Google Sheets, click on File, then Import, and finally Upload to bring in your ICS file. But here's the catch. Google Sheets doesn't parse .ics files automatically, so while you can upload it, you'll still need an ICS to CSV converter tool for parsing, which brings us to Option B. Option B is to use a free online converter tool. There are plenty of them available online. Just do a quick search. With your .ics file ready, upload it to the converter tool. Once the conversion is complete, download the resulting CSV file. This CSV file is what you can open in any spreadsheet program like Excel, Google Sheets, or others. Finally, once your data is in CSV format, you can start using it in a variety of ways. You can sort or filter the data by event title, date, time, location, and much more. Additionally, this data can be imported into other tools such as Excel, various project management software, or even databases. Having your calendar data in a CSV format opens up numerous possibilities for data manipulation and analysis. That's it for the tutorial on exporting Google Calendar to CSV. Remember, whether you're using this for personal organization or professional needs, the steps are straightforward once you get the hang of it. Thanks for watching, and happy exporting!